Okay, PreCalc. Let's do one more. On the beginning of part 2 here, would you like to try a combo? Alright, so we've looked at 4 different things. We've changed the amplitude, we've changed the up-down, we've changed the right-left, and we changed the horizontal stretch or shrink. So let's put them all together and see if I can straighten this up a little bit. Or you can sit with your head slightly crooked. Alright, go with it. Alright, here's the combo. The combo is y equals minus 2 plus 3 sine 1/3 theta plus pi over 2. Alright, so here we have all 4 changes at once. So let's see how we could attack this to get all of them on the graph. So give yourself the graph, and let's start with, let's go from here outward. So we'll go from the middle. So we see it's a sine curve, and we see the sine curve has been moved to the left, because this plus sign is a left switch, left pi over 2. So let's accomplish at least that much. So here's my tick marks, 1, 2, 3, 4. So pi over 2. You guys are coming into physics, so you get to watch this. Come in quietly. Alright, so I put the tick marks in, the regular tick marks. And I'm going to take this blue, and I'm going to graph the sine curve that is moved to the left, pi over 2. I always start by putting in a regular curve. So there's the regular sine curve. I'm going to move it pi over 2 to the left. So I'll put this in red. So it goes up to 1. Alright, so I moved the whole thing over pi over 2 to the left. Now I'm going to go and grab the fact that the k values, let me switch colors, the k value is 1/3. So k equals 2 pi over the period. Our k is 1/3. So we find that p is 6 pi. So I'm going to have to move that. So our p, our period is 6 pi. And looks like I have, up here I have 2 pi, so I'm going to have to go, say the same amount, 4 pi, 6 pi. But notice, now that I've shifted it, it starts at negative pi over 2. So it's going to end up at this value instead of this value because we shifted everything down. So a whole curve has to start here and end here. So let me eyeball the middle, somewhere about right here. So that's going to be the high point of the curve. So in green, I'm starting here and ending here, just in front of 6 pi, because of that shift, pi over 2 to the left. So where did I say the middle was? About right here. So it's going to peak here, or that's where it comes down, sorry. It's going to peak, come down, bottom out, and go back up. You may come in, just come in quietly. Oh, you're here.
Yeah, I got it confused. I thought lunch went from 12 to 1, but it goes from 11 to 12.
Right,
so I don't have my physics book with my problems there because I was going to...
All right, we'll survive. Just tell everyone to be quiet. I'm finishing a problem. All right, so as you come in quietly, I'm going to finish this problem. So I have taken care of this. Next, we'll go and mess with the next number down the row, and that is amplitude. So let's go for yellow. So that means this green curve is going to go, instead of up to 1 and down to minus 1, it's going to go up to 3 and down to minus 3. So I'll put in. So I take the green curve and change the amplitude. Up to 3, down to minus 3. And 1, oops, yeah, that's right. I ended a little bit short, pi over 2 short of 6 pi. All right, one more change to go, and that is back to red again, minus 2. So we're going to take that whole curve and pull it down too. So I can probably do that by spots. So let me take this yellow curve and pull down this spot, this spot, this spot, this spot, and this spot. So I'm going to pull it down too. So here it is on the x-axis. It comes down 2, and this comes down 2, this comes down 2, this comes down 2, this comes down 2. All right, now I'm going to connect all the red ones. All right, so that is all 4 changes at once. And that is called a combo. Would you like a combo? All right, that's all for tonight. Bye.